Good morning, all of you. I am Usha Gupta from Lovely Public Senior Secondary School. I am going to explain you Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry of Class 10th Maths. First, I will tell you what is coordinate geometry. It is an algebraic tool for study geometry of figures. Now, I will tell you what is its use. It is used to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. Therefore, it is widely used in physics, engineering, navigation, art and seismology. Now first we will make a project. Mark coordinate axis of your city map and find distance between two important landmarks such as bus stand, bus station, railway station, airport, hospital and school and your house, any river, etc. You all might have seen Google Map, and the location of any point on Google Map is also located by using coordinate geometry. In 9th class, you have studied about coordinate geometry. Now, here I am going to revise the points or the things which you have studied in 9th class about coordinate geometry. Now, it is point of origin. These are 4 quadrant, first, second, third and fourth. This is point of origin, and here when we will move to this direction, it is positive direction and it is negative direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of y-axis and this is negative direction of x-axis. Here x value is, as you know, in 9th class you have studied, the x value is known as abscissa and y value is known as ordinate and together is known as coordinate. Now I am going to tell you some basic points for coordinate geometry. To locate the position of a point on a plane, we required a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of the point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa, and the distance of a point from the x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of the points on x-axis are of the form of x, 0 and point on the y-axis are 0, y. Suppose any point P is given in first quadrant whose coordinates are 2, 1 and S is the point in third quadrant whose coordinates are -3, -2 and R is the point in fourth quadrant whose coordinates are not given, question mark is there. Then you have to find out the coordinate of R. Coordinate of R will be 2, -3. Now I am going to explain you the distance formula. 2 points are given P and Q whose coordinates are 3, 4 and Q coordinate are -1, 5. You have to find out the distance between these 2 points by using the distance formula. As you know, the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is -1 and x1 is 3. So -1 minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 4 whole square. After solving it will come -4 whole square plus 1 square. Now it will be 16 plus 1 under root of it. Then the distance between 2 points PQ is under root 17 unit. Now I will tell you the uses of the distance formula. The distance formula is used to find what type of the triangle will be formed by given 3 coordinates and to check what type of the quadrilateral will be formed by given 4 coordinates. Now, and we can also use the distance formula to check the collinearity of the 3 points. Collinearity means the 3 points which are given, are they collinear or not. First we will take out the distance of point A and distance of point B, and then distance sum of these two should be equal to C. If distance of point A plus distance of point B is equal to C, then points are collinear, otherwise the points are not collinear. And another formula is also there, that is section formula, that will be used in another video, and I hope whichever I have explained you is clear to all of you.